Although we are often required to sum up values, there are occasions when we need to count them. Excel offers a range of count functions that can help with this. Uma has been asked by the sales team to manage their large dataset. To begin with, they need to know how many of the orders have been shipped. For this, we can use the count function. Before we enter our formula though, notice that we will be working with large ranges that will be slow to select. So let's apply what we learned last week and name our ranges. To do this, click somewhere within the data set and press Ctrl A to select all of the data. Go to the Formulas tab and click on Create from Selection. Remember the keyboard shortcut Ctrl-Shift-F3 as well. Uncheck left column if it's already been checked for you, so that you only have top row checked, and click on OK. Let's go to the name box to check that our ranges are properly named. Great. Now let's work out how many orders have been shipped. So we need Excel to count each cell in column O that has a number in it, and that is exactly what the count function does. Click in cell O3 and type equals C or U, and you'll notice that there are quite a few count functions that Excel offers. We just want the first one in the list for now, so tab to select count, and the count function will count all the cells that contain a numeric value. Any empty cells will be ignored. So now we need to select all the shipping dates. Without named ranges, we would have had to select all this data manually. But now we just need to type a few letters, SHI, and shipping date is the first one in the list, so tab and enter. 1,037 orders have been shipped. Great. Next we need to work out the total number of orders placed. So we click in cell B3 and type equals count, open brackets, and specify the range, order number, ORD, arrow down, tab to select order number, and enter, and the number of orders is 0? That can't be right. Well, remember, the count function counts the number of cells that contain numeric values. Because of the hyphen or the dash in column A, these values are not numeric. So instead we need to use another function, counter. This function counts all non-empty cells, both numerical and alphanumerical data. Let's edit the formula and use counter instead. 1,039 orders have been placed. Great. Finally, it appears that the account managers are sometimes forgetting to enter the order priority. It would be good to find out how many times this has occurred. So here we want to count the blank cells, and the function to use for this is count blank. Click in cell J3, type equals count, down arrow, tab to choose count blank, order priority, enter. There are two instances where the account managers have forgotten to enter the order priority. We have now seen how we can generate useful summaries using count, counter, and count blank.